as old as you are, you don't know how to have sex.
Jesus. Actually, you're mad. How can you look at me and tell me I don't know how to have sex? It is you that cannot move. You're stiff. You're stiff as a corpse. Very tasteless woman.
This is why women go outside. You think it's only men that know how to cheat?
Please go outside.
I'm giving you room for improvement.
Go outside. You taste like alum. You taste like alum.
Do you know that in all the time that we've been married, I've not come once?
What, you think I come?
Let him cook.
Are you not ashamed?
No, I'm not. Not the one that says you should cut off your cleats.